This is part 2 or 3, or I'm not even sure which part of this series of me maintaining my brand new used car. So in the first episode we did, if you haven't watched, few things that you should always do as soon as you get your brand new used car. Second episode we did charge pipe and boost pipe, few of the hoses that are inside few air hoses and water hoses inside my engine. Guess what we're doing today? We're doing the spark plugs. The car doesn't fire the way that it should. We're gonna swap them out with brand new spark plugs, and I'm gonna give you an update on how the car feels after it's done.
Are you talking about that kind of fire?
No.
Oh, okay. Plug is gonna make sparks from the back?
No. Spark plug is what sparks the engine to like fire and the cylinders to move and everything.
Okay.
That,
Look
if
at
you
that.
didn't know, is my friend Danish's car. He sent his car here last night for service. Okay, we are back here at Z Auto Service. So I will link their Instagram down below so you can check them out. Kogu is a great guy. He professional. He does everything. He really takes care of the car and he knows his stuff. So make sure to check him out.
See the gap. Can see the gap.
Which gap? This. So this is the old spark plug. This is the new one. Already tell that it's time to change this. I will do the spark plugs. You can watch. No, I've never gotten my hands dirty. And this is dirty as, oh god, this is so dirty. Make sure you subscribe. Get me to 1,000 subscribers and 10,000 after that. Do I need to change my blinker fluid?
Yes. It's very expensive.
Yeah, we're gonna see sparks now.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a big
What difference did you
in
feel?
the way that the car just started up immediately, and then the way it's idling now. It's a big difference. We're gonna go and see how it drives. Just the way the car started is really different. Do your maintenance, people. Why don't you maintain your cars? Bro, this thing was loose. The rail was broken. You know what I did? I put a screw in it. I locked it.
Oh, you locked it. Smart, man. Okay, your interior is still good, bro.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Maybe
But just
later
that
I
the
change
seats
to
lah.
the sport line.
Yeah.
I found the full interior in eBay, 12K. Like full interior, rear seats also.
Okay.
Next vlog?
No, I'm not paying 12K for seats.
You might once everything is done.
Yeah, once this engine is
Yes.
turbo next probably, and wrap. You know what I'm wrapping it to? I'm gonna do this. Do you know this car?
Yes.
I'm gonna do this.
Yes.
And all of these will be on these lines. Okay, look what we have here. Famous BMW 911 320D that was featured in one of my videos, and since then so many of you guys asked full review of this car, so we are getting that arranged. Sending his car right now here for a full major service. We'll see the car very soon on the channel. They just got the car back from the shop. Brand new spark plugs for the car. Oh my god, it made a huge difference. The car is idling way smoother now. The car started up smoother. You own a car, any car, no matter what car it is, please do your maintenance well. Okay, that's it for today's video. This was a short video. Stick around for the rest of the series. We're gonna do a lot of crazy things. We are already on our way into perfecting this car. New episodes coming every week. I'll see you guys in the next video.
By the way, one question.
Yeah.
How does your wallet feel?
It's very light.
Ah.
My wallet.
So, but you can go faster, you know?
Yeah, weight savings.
Weight savings.
Yes. We are doing a lot of weight savings because my
Awesome.
wallet is getting lighter and lighter every day.